So what is this? This is the sound of relief. MPS Dolphin. You might have seen us using it on scars, which is super beneficial for that. But we also use it on acupuncture points for a variety of reasons. We've treated osteoarthritis with the neural dolphin stems, TMJ. We've treated, of course, low back issues, neck issues, shoulder issues, frozen shoulder. From one treatment, you may notice a great drop in the pain level from maybe 85% down to 35%, even more actually. Dolphins are pretty remarkable. If you're having issues with range of motion, pain, come check us out. I think we can get you more functional for sure.